Answers tonight in the road to recovery. If things continue on this downward trend, Governor Cuomo says that New York City is on track to start phase 1 of reopening on June 8th. And this comes as 5 other regions are cleared to enter phase 2, opening office jobs, hair salons, and real estate. But capacity restrictions and social distancing rules will still apply. This comes as the state added 67 deaths to the death toll, the lowest daily death toll since the pandemic started. Now, in the city, only 5% of New Yorkers are being tested are positive. Also, the lowest number recorded. Want to get to News 4's Andrew Siff live in Flatiron with the details. Hi, Andrew.
Hi, Natalie. Well, we've certainly been waiting for an exact moment that New York City gets the green light. The mayor has said all along it would be in the first half of June. And today we got the official date from the governor, June 8th. From epidemic epicenter to the cusp of reopening.
We are on track to open on June 8th.
The governor estimating 400,000 people back at work for construction and manufacturing jobs considered low risk. Mayor Bill de Blasio joining Cuomo by video, saying city and state metrics on hospitalizations and ICU cases are fully aligned.
The key to getting to a definition for that phase 1 came from the collaboration between you and me and the state and the city to all get on the same page.
Unresolved, how anyone is supposed to stay socially distant on subways and buses. The CDC recommending against mass transit. The MTA chairman calling that yet another confounding recommendation from the nation's top public health authority. The governor, after ordering overnight subway shutdowns and an MTA disinfection program, put it this way.
The public transit system will be operational, is operational, and we wouldn't operate it unless it's safe. People have to wear masks.
We're going to sit on the sidelines for a moment.
Salon owner Joey Silvestera told News 4 there's enough uncertainty he's planning to hold off on reopening his 2 Blackstones locations in Manhattan until phase 3 or even phase 4 of reopening.
We don't want to be the ones that were out in it when we hear in the news that it actually spiked up or things got, started to get worse.
And one promising sign so far, the governor said that regions that have been open for a couple of weeks for phase 1, like Rochester, haven't seen a spike in COVID cases. We're live in the Flatiron District. Andrew Siff, News 4 New York.
All right, Andrew, that is encouraging. Thanks so much for that. All right, in New Jersey, the governor is easing some more restrictions there as well. Governor Murphy announced that on June 12th, he could raise the limits on indoor gatherings. He also said that child care centers can resume June 15th. Non-contact sports will come the following week, and youth day camps and summer recreation programs the first Monday in July. News 4's Brian Thompson is in Rumson, where, of course, some young athletes are happy to hear this news.
I just want to get outdoors and play baseball.
And now Brendan Pollock can not just throw the ball with friends, but starting June 22 actually have organized practice, said Governor Murphy.
The countless kids who have been looking forward to playing baseball or softball or soccer or other sports, we are proud to take this step.
The governor also said daycare centers like this one in Red Bank could open up in 2 weeks to serve hundreds of thousands of parents starting to go back to work. Meanwhile, the United States Amateur Baseball League, with a history of youth baseball and softball divisions, was heavily involved in negotiating a return to the baseball diamond and was hoping for an earlier start time.
We shouldn't be lumped in with other sports. I mean, we're virtually a no-contact sport. The game is socially distanced by nature.
Just looking at these kids, that's obvious. And their thirst to get back to practice and hopefully play soon thereafter, unquenchable.
And at least it's coming. People have been missing sports. It's kind of one way to bring everyone together.
Even as the league tries to open up even earlier, its next big challenge is to get schools to open up their ball fields. They have been closed by the pandemic. In Rumson, Brian Thompson, News 4 New York.